You use so many mobile apps like Flipkart, Amazon, PhonePe, Google Pay, Paytm, and there are so many more. You share your personal information in these apps, right? How will you feel if you come to know that Facebook is stealing that personal information? It's very risky, isn't it? Hey guys, Pankaj Nath this side, and it's time to learn with RPN. Let's learn how to stop Facebook to steal your personal information. So guys, this is the home page of Facebook. On top right corner, you can see three lines. Click here. Now scroll down. Click on Setting and Privacy. Now click on Setting. Scroll down and search for a section called Your Facebook Information. Here it is. Here you can see all Facebook activity. Click on this. Here you can see many apps. Facebook steals information from these apps only. Now first of all, let's clear history here. Perfect. Now you can see no information is left. Wait, by clearing history, we are just free from the risk related to past. But what about future risk? Let's do some setting to escape from that risk. Here you can see more option. Click here. Now click on Manage Future Activity. Here you can see future of Facebook activity is enabled. Now we need to disable this. Now click on Turn Off. I hope you have come to know about this security fix and you are going to apply in your Facebook ID. If you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel and share this with your maximum friends so that they can also take benefit out of it. Feel free to comment if you have any doubt and let's meet in another video very soon. Till then, have a nice time.